Well, it's a freezing cold January the 35th, or it feels like it anyway. Morning here at Tooty Towers with the latest Tooty toy all ready to go, but it's too bloody cold to be going out there. I'm hibernating still. But the toy's all restored, ready to go. We've had the wheels off, we've painted the inside, we've serviced the brakes, we've painted up here, there and everywhere. Loads of work to the inside of those wheels and the brakes and the calipers, and cleaned it all up, and it's all pretty and ready to go, and just too damn cold to go out there. But it's very pretty. And if there's a few folks want to find us on the SkegVegas Pirates on Facebook, maybe meet you at a few of the shows somewhere. That front mudguard, it gets lots of controversial. It's one of those Marmite things, either love it or hate it. I wasn't sure when I first saw it, but it's grown on me. And I've got another one over there spare to go on if I needed to or change my mind, but I decided I liked it now, so it's staying. This is the one with the hydraulic bodywork that lifts all the way up, which is very handy to service it and work on things and tinker and clean. We've named this one Blue Thunder because it sounds like rolling thunder. Love those backlights. Anyway, hope to see you all soon.